Hey guys, good morning. It is Monday morning and it is almost 9:15. We are fixing to head to go to Adeline's 1-year appointment and then possibly go to Target. We'll see. Hello, beautiful. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Kelly, and on my channel you will find all things mom related. I like to do cooking and cleaning, homemaker things, just whatever you can think of as a life of a stay-at-home mom. And I've got 2 beautiful kids and I have a naval officer as a husband. Yes, we are a military family, so life is just a little bit different for us than the average stay-at-home mom. But if that interests you, please hit that subscribe button and let's get on with our day. Okay guys, you can probably hear Hazel's Paw Patrol, but we just got she's so cute. We just got to our pediatrics. Adeline is still awake, hallelujah. We are here a little bit early. Woo, about dropped my camera. We're here a lot more early than what I thought. Guys, look how cute these earrings are. I got these earrings the other day. They say thankful and blessed. I can't tell if they're upside down or not, but they are so cute. I feel like I look so tired this morning. I could not fall asleep for the life of me last night. I probably didn't fall asleep till about 2 o'clock. I literally laid in bed and tossed and turned. But anyways, I don't want to show inside their pediatric just for, you know, like respectful purposes. Like, I don't want to give too much information out about my children. Even though I am a stay-at-home mom, like vlogger, I love to have my children in my videos and stuff, but I don't like to give out too much information because there are some creeps and weirdos on social media. So I'm not going to give off any information, but I just wanted to talk to you guys before we went in, and then afterwards we may go to Target. I don't know. Okay guys, so we just got back from running some errands. We had a doctor's appointment that we had to go to for Addie. I stopped by Target and I went by Chick-fil-A. We've already ate Chick-fil-A, and I wanted to show you guys what I've gotten from Target. I have 2 bags, and it's probably not the normal like typical mom stuff from Target that I got, but I picked up some baking goods and I got some Crisco for homemade biscuits. We were out of ranch, so I picked up some more ranch. I also picked up buttermilk, but I'd already put the buttermilk in the fridge because I didn't want it to get hot or warm while we were eating. And last but not least, I picked up a baking dish. I got this for our biscuits. I'm gonna try my best to make some homemade biscuits tonight, some buttermilk biscuits. I may need to call my stepmom, but I think I'm gonna try it out first on my own and see how things go. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I've gotten from Target.
Just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bonafide. And so are all of you. Does turning yellow. The air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days are far